Welcome to the home of English. In this lesson, we shall discuss a very current topic, that is COVID-19 related vocabulary. Every English learner must know all these words without any confusion. That's why I included this lesson. I will be covering this in two parts. This is the first part. Please watch all the previous lessons in the playlist of the Home of English. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get all updates and upcoming lessons. Let's start. COVID-19 related words. First is COVID-19 itself. What is COVID-19? It is a mild to severe respiratory illness that is caused by a coronavirus with symptoms like fever, cough, and shortness of breath. COVID-19 is a mild to severe respiratory illness that is caused by a coronavirus with symptoms like fever, cough, and shortness of breath. It is the acronym or short form of Coronavirus Disease 2019. In COVID-19, CO represents corona, VI represents virus, and D disease, and 19 represents the year 2019 because COVID-19 was first discovered in the city Wuhan in China in December 2019. So that is the significance of the year 2019. Now let's see three words: outbreak, pandemic, and epidemic. Outbreak, pandemic, and epidemic. An outbreak is a sudden rise in the incidence of a disease. An outbreak is a sudden rise in the incidence of a disease. Whereas a pandemic is an outbreak of a disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects a high proportion of population. A pandemic is an outbreak of disease that occurs over a wide geographic area and affects a high proportion of population. In a wide area and a high proportion of population. So that is pandemic. An outbreak may become an epidemic if it spreads. First, outbreak, then it may become an epidemic if it spreads. And if an epidemic spreads more and more in a wide geographic area and affects a high proportion of population, then it becomes a pandemic. So an epidemic becomes a pandemic. So the sequence is outbreak becomes an epidemic and epidemic becomes a pandemic. Next is community spread and contact tracing. Community spread and contact tracing. Community spread is the spread of a contagious disease within a community. Community spread is the spread of a contagious disease within a community, or the spread of a contagious disease to individuals of a particular geographic location who have no known contact with other infected individuals or who have not recently traveled to an area where the disease has any documented cases. So, a community spread happens when a person is diagnosed COVID-19 positive and his source of infection is not known. No known contact with other infected individuals, or there is no travel history to a place where the documented cases are there. So that is community spread. Contact tracing is the practice of identifying and monitoring individuals who may have contact with an infectious person. The practice of identifying and monitoring individuals who may have contact with an infectious person, that is contact tracing. So that is community spread and contact tracing. Next is contagious and infectious. Contagious and infectious. Contagious means transmissible by direct or indirect contact with an infected person. Contagious is a transmissible by direct or indirect contact with an infected person. Whereas infectious is producing or capable of producing infection. Infectious is producing infection or capable of producing infection, that is infectious. Whereas contagious is transmissible by direct or indirect contact with an infected person. See the example, food poisoning is infectious, but it is not contagious. Whereas COVID-19 is both contagious and infectious. Anything that is contagious is also infectious. Anything that is contagious is also infectious, but the reverse is not true. That means anything that is contagious is also infectious, but anything that is infectious may not be contagious. So these are the words related to COVID-19 in this session. The second part we will discuss in the next lesson. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.